Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. For the dry ingredients, grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. And of course, 1½ cups of delicious chocolate chips are a must for classic cookies. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and both sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, making sure each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, gently fold in your 1½ cups of chocolate chips. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough about 2 inches apart onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake these delicious treats in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes, until the edges are golden. Almost there. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set. Then carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For an extra chewy cookie, try baking them for just 8 or 9 minutes, leaving the centers slightly soft. Store your cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, and they'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.